name is Yen Cheng. I head up the sales operations and sales enablement team at Recorded Future. Some of our big initiatives include helping drive scale for the company because we're going through such hyper growth that we're constantly hiring new sales reps. So from an onboarding standpoint, training standpoint, making sure that they have access to the right solutions, all the software that they need access to, my team is responsible for that. It's very important for us to think about, okay, when a new sales rep starts, what does their first 3 months look like? With Clari now, we have a much more structured sales inspection process. We recently implemented MEDPIC, which is our sales opportunity management process. So essentially, they have to identify 9 elements per each opportunity in order for them to progress it stage by stage. And with Clari, we're able to see all of those elements. What have they updated and what are they scoring from a confidence level? So we have a scoring from 0 to 2, 2 being the highest confidence of each element. So ideally, we want to see all 2s for all 9 elements, and that means that, okay, this deal is great. This is going to likely close within a matter of days, weeks, what have you. So it's a much more rigorous process that is data-driven. We've always had a weekly cadence when it comes to pipeline inspection, forecasting, but now the conversation is largely focused on, from the manager side, where can I help? Where are you stuck? What are you forecasting? And the manager will then challenge, okay, if you're forecasting this and you don't have the deals at these stages to support that forecast, why? Let's have a more data-driven conversation and be much more prescriptive about, from a strategy standpoint, how can we partner together to help move these deals along?